Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim fire and ice gathering rewards of the Heroes event in EA Sports FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this Heroes chapter or Heroes event. Jump into the main chapter of these Heroes. So this is the gathering rewards. For example, the first rewards is Full Throttle. You have to collect the final rewards in the Motor and Tricky Beast chapters. And the Midfield Symphony, collect the final reward in the Conductor chapter. And this is the last rewards, Fire and Ice. Collect the final rewards in the Flash Freeze and Arctic Soldier chapters to unlock the milestone rewards. So try to challenge yourself and collect a Flash Freeze, the final reward of Flash Freeze chapter. For example, I claim Berbatov. And then the Arctic Soldier, I claim the final reward John Arne Rees. So after that, the Fire and Ice gathering reward will open. Let's get back. So let's open this Fire and Ice. Guarantee reward 1 mixed version player 85 until 97 OVR, 12 mixed version player of 75 until 97 OVR, and 12 best player, and also 600 coins. 600,000 of coins. If you're lucky, you can get one of these possible rewards. Tap free button. Let's claim the reward. Tap to open. We got Oriol Remu and other player. So you can use this type of player to exchange with better OVR out there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.